Kaministiqua is a ship that's coming through Port Colborne right now. She was recently having a few issues as she was making her way down to St. Lawrence and on her way to Thunder Bay, and she had to make a stop in Hamilton because she's having issues with the engine. And I guess once she got going again and she was making her way down the Welland Canal, she ran into a few more issues and had to moor up over at Wharf 17 here in Port Colborne for a couple of days to find out what the issue is and resolve it. Anyway, it looks like they resolved it now because she is now making her way out of Port Colborne and she's going to be heading up to Thunder Bay, and she's going to be coming past us very quickly. Anyway, it's going to be a short video. This is going to do a time lapse. I can't get the drone up, it is way too windy, so a short video for you on Kaministiqua. It's going to be the hardest shit for me to pronounce. It drives me insane trying to pronounce this one. However I look at it and try and break it up, I still screw it up. The wind is blowing about 52 kilometers right now. I should say gusting. Sustained winds around about 33 kilometers an hour, and it's blowing directly right down the channel here in Port Colborne. I'm literally standing directly into the face of the wind. And you can see that by the water on the bow of the vessel, on the starboard side, the spray coming from the water is draining from the anchors. The geese are going to get a shower. I got a fantastic capture of this vessel last year as it was coming out of Warner Locked. And I'll put the link in the description so you can check that video out. But in the meantime, this is today, Good Friday 2025, coming through Port Colborne. Quick one for you there, Kaministiqua, heading out to Thunder Bay, back in action and heading out onto Lake Erie right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, more videos coming soon. Take care.